How to create an affiliate link with an external page to systeme.io. In this article, you'll learn how to create an affiliate link with a page that's external to systeme.io, otherwise known as affiliate proxy links. Creating and using an affiliate proxy link lets you attach an affiliate ID to an external page that is not hosted on systeme.io. Important. Affiliate proxy links can only be created by affiliate program owners. If you want to promote a proxy link as an affiliate, you'll need to obtain it directly from the program's owner. This post will thus discuss two ways in which systeme.io users can make use of an affiliate proxy links. How to set up an affiliate proxy link for your own affiliate program. For affiliate program owners, how to use a proxy link to promote an offer as an affiliate. Let's take a look at a scenario where an affiliate proxy link would be helpful. You create a YouTube video to promote product A, an external page not hosted in systeme.io. You create an affiliate proxy link using a link to the YouTube video. In the YouTube video's description, you add a link to the page created with systeme.io that promotes or sells product A, an internal page that's hosted with systeme.io. Even though the link to the page created with systeme.io in the video's description doesn't contain your affiliate ID, you still used an affiliate proxy link. Thus, once clicked on, the proxy link will track the page created with systeme.io, and your affiliate ID will be attached to it if you've added it to the link, as shown in section 2.1. How to set up an affiliate proxy link for your own affiliate program. To set up an affiliate proxy link, go to Settings, by clicking on your profile picture, and then on Affiliate Program Settings. Step 1. Prepare the setup of your affiliate proxy link. You need to create a funnel containing an opt-in or payment page. The domain you choose, e.g., www.testin.systeme.io, should be the same domain as the sales funnel that contains your opt-in or payment page. The external page should contain a link or redirect to your opt-in or payment page on systeme.io. Step 2. Set up your affiliate proxy link. Go to Affiliate Program Settings, Affiliate Proxy Links. Create a pop-up window will appear to help you set up an affiliate proxy link. Complete the following fields. Label. This is the name of the affiliate proxy link. Language. The language used on the page in systeme.io. URL. The URL link of the external page. Domain. The domain connected to your account. You can only choose one per link. Important. This domain needs to be the same domain as the sales funnel that contains your opt-in or payment page. Here's an example. 1. Label, test 12. Language, English 3. URL, https://systeme.io. 4. Domain, www.testin.systeme.io. After clicking Save, a link is then created. You can find out which page this link leads to by clicking on the small question mark icon. In this case, this proxy link, https://testin.systeme.io/proxy/250621629D1D4CF828E1BA480333EAA16ABA, redirects to https://systeme.io. 2. How to use a proxy link to promote an offer as an affiliate. To promote a proxy link as an affiliate, you'd first need to obtain the link from the affiliate program owner of the offer you'd like to promote. For example, the affiliate program owner has the following affiliate proxy link that redirects to https://testin.io/https://proxy/request/2506216216291D4CF828E1BA480333EA16EB. After obtaining this link, you would then have to add your affiliate ID to it. https://testin.systeme.io/proxy/request/250621621D1D4CF828E1BA480333EA16EB. SA equals your affiliated. Note, to find your affiliate ID and your various affiliate links, go to Dashboard, then Affiliate Dashboard. Your affiliate ID can be found at the top of the page. If the external page then contains any links to a page created within systeme.io, your affiliate ID will automatically be attached to those links.